adjectives. Now over here I have applied the glue only in the center and I have not applied any glue onto the petals, because in some of the questions I have added the adjectives even behind the petals. So now let's have a look. So what is an adjective? Adjectives are words which describes the noun. They answer the questions, that is, they tell us more about the noun. So now let's start with the first question, that is how it behaves. So it over here is the noun. So it can be anything, a person, place, animal or thing. So is it angry, is it happy, mad, silly, nice or sad? Then second question is what size it is. Is it big, large, little, small, tall, huge or gigantic? So if we take the example like the box is small, so over here the box is the noun and small becomes the adjective. Then in the next question, how it tastes, that is how the noun tastes. Is it tangy, sweet, bitter, sour, tart or salty? If I say the jam is sweet, then the jam is noun and sweet becomes the adjective. Fourth question is how it smells. Is it fresh, floral, stinky, new or yummy? If I say the socks are stinky, then stinky is the adjective and socks is the noun. What color is it? Is it black, white, yellow, red, pink, brown, blue, then orange or purple? So the colors are the adjectives. Then how is the weather? So weather can be foggy, sunny, cloudy, rainy and windy. So these words are describing the weather, so they are the adjectives. Then how many, that is numbers, these are the adjectives. And also some words like few, spares, lots, many, some, these are also adjectives along with the numbers. Some I have taken over here like 3, 4, 50, 1 or 2. So all the numbers are adjectives. Then how it looks. Is it pretty, bright, dull, colorful, scary or shiny? Then what shape it is. Is it round, square, cuboid, triangular or oval? Then how it feels, that is what is the texture of that noun. Is it rough, smooth, squishy, bumpy or slimy? So in this way adjectives tells us more about the noun. And what is the noun? Noun is name of a person, place, animal or thing. So in such a way they are describing the nouns, and so they are also called as the describing words. They make the sentence more meaningful. So this was the project about adjectives. Do let me know in the comment box about the video. If you like the video, do give a thumbs up, do share the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing out. Happy learning adjectives and happy growing up with your loved ones.